Hello students, I am Sunny sir from Mohdi English School. Now I hope all of you are following the strict rules, like you are wearing your mask when you go out and you wash your hands at every hour during the day. Please take all these measures. These are the necessary measures that each one of us has to take right now to be safe from the disease. Please keep yourself and your surroundings neat and clean. Take bath 2 times in a day with the hot water. Drink hot water, just boil the water and drink it thrice a day. All these are the measures that we need to take right now. So this video is for class 2 subject science. Let us read one thought. Education is the key to success. So what is the meaning of this thought? The meaning of this thought is that if you are educated, you can be successful. Success means you achieve your target. See, can you see the benches over here? These are the benches of your school and this is your board, green board. So, if you want to be successful, you have to come to school. When the school reopens, you have to study and get education. So, right now you are getting knowledge with the help of these videos. So that is also just like your school. Please keep watching the videos regularly if you want to be successful, because education is the key to success. So today we are going to cover chapter 2, uses of plants. In that we will have the recap of the previous video. Different products we get from plants. In that previous video we had seen that we get medicines, fibers and paper, rubber, gum, all this from plants we get. So we'll just have the recap, and after that we will learn about some products that we get from plants, some new products that we get from plants, and then we will solve the worksheet for the same topic. So let us have the recap of the previous video. So in the previous video we had seen the uses of plants. In that we had seen plants give us medicine. So as you can see the medicines, these are the medicines which are there on your screen. We get medicines with the help of plants, and the plants which gives us medicine, they are called medicinal plants. And the patients, those who are suffering from various diseases, they use medicines for their cure to get better. Then we had seen examples of different plants that give us medicines like neem, tulsi, clove, turmeric, aloe vera, mint, basil, etc. We had seen the pictures, see the turmeric, neem, tulsi and other plants are there. These are very useful and gives us medicine. After that we had seen plants give us fibers. See, these are fibers, these are used for making clothes. So we get fibers from plant such as cotton and jute, and fiber is the material. It is a piece of long, thin, flexible like length of thread. As you can see, these are thread. It is fiber and we can make clothes. See, examples are given. We can make clothes, ropes, gunny bags. These are used for different purposes in our daily life. This we get with the help of plants and with the help of fibers. Then we had learned that we also get paper from plants. Different colors papers are there, as you can see on your screen. So we get papers from plants, and it is also used to make books, bags, magazines. Then we had seen examples that these are the uses of plants we can make. See, this is the pile of books, this is the bag which is made with the help of paper, and this is the currency note. All this we get because of plants. Then we had seen plants also give us rubber. See, this is rubber. We get rubber from rubber plants, and rubber is used to make eraser, tires and pipes. See, we had seen the examples of erasers, tires and pipes. These are used for different purposes. This is used for writing and this is used for different vehicles. Even pipe has different uses in our house. So these are all the things we get from plants. Then we had seen we also get gum. See, this is gum, and with the help of gum we can do lot of things like craft activity and etc. So we get gum from which tree? Kika tree, and it is used to make glue. For if you want to stick something, you use gum or glue. It is used in soft candy, chewing gum and etc. other things. So it is also very useful thing. Then we had seen different examples where plants are useful. These are the different examples which we get from plants with the help of gum, with the help of kika tree. All these things we had seen in the previous video. Now let us learn some more uses of plants. See what is given? Plants give us wood. So this is one more product that we get from plant. The new product that we are learning. Plants give us wood. We get wood from trees, right? When the trees are cut down, we get wood from trees. Wood is used to make furniture, houses, toys, boats, carts, chair, table, door, windows, books, etc. So we get all these things from wood. Furniture, like you have sofa, you have chair, table, that is furniture. We can make houses with the help of wood. Toys, you have toys, and that are also made of wood. Many toys are there. Boats, like we can go for boating. We sit in the boat and travel in the river, that is boating. We can also make boats with the help of wood. Cart, bullock carts are there, right? We can make with the help of wood. Chair on which you sit, that is also made of wood. Then table, door, windows, all these things are there in our houses. Everything is made of wood. And the books, the outer part, the outer covering of the book is also very strong. It is wooden, and the books have paper inside it. So where do we get paper from? Again we get from wood. So all these things are obtained from wood. And where do we get wood from? We get wood from plants. There are many types of wood. Now let us see the different types of woods which are there. See the first one, teak wood. This is example of teak wood. So do you know what is the teak wood and what is the usefulness of teak wood? This is a wood. It is a type of tree from which we get wood. So let me tell you, teak is a very hard wood. See, it is very hard. It is not breakable easily. It is very hard. It makes excellent wood for outdoor and indoor furniture. The furniture which you want to make for office, you want to make for the house. We can make all the furniture like sofa, table, chair, etc. We can make the wood with the help of this furniture. It is very hard wood and it can provide a lifetime guarantee, and it is more used for indoors. When you make furniture with the help of these woods like table and chair, for lifetime we don't have to worry because it is very strong wood. The table, chair, etc. the furniture will not break easily because the teak wood is of very good quality. For many years you need not worry if your furniture is made from teak wood. Teak wood can be golden or medium brown. As you can see the color medium brown. It can be either golden color or medium brown color. It is well known for the toughness and good quality for long time. This teak wood for long time the quality will be good and it is very tough, means it is not breakable easily. It is very tough, very hard and very strong one, you can say. The best season to plant the teak wood is monsoon. You know, when rainfall is there, so in the monsoon season it grows the best. The best time for teak wood is monsoon season, the rainy season, and it is after the first rain. Means when the June season comes, after the first rainfall, teak wood grows better in very nice condition. Then bark of teak is bitter, but it is used for fever. The outer covering, see this is outer covering, it is very bitter, means opposite of sweet. Like honey is sweet, so opposite of sweet is bitter. So the bark is bitter, but it is used for fever. Those who have fever, they can use this bark for their illness. Useful in headache and stomach problem. Even those who have headache, stomach problem, they can use this teak wood. And also for digestion. Some people have digestion problem. They eat the food and they get vomiting. They do not digest the food properly. So teak wood is also used for digestion problems. See, this is one more picture of the teak wood in the forest. These are the teak trees and these are the teak wood, very strong as you can see. This is one more image of the forest where teak wood is there. Then what is given next? Let us see the next one. Oak tree. Yes, this is oak wood we get from the oak tree. O-A-K, oak. So what is the usefulness of the oak tree? Let us study. Oak wood is a type of hardwood that derives from the oak tree. We get oak wood from the oak tree. This is oak tree. And oak wood has been used as hardwood timber for thousands of years. So many people use this for making furniture. For many thousand years it has been used and people can make furniture. As I told you, for teak wood, with oak wood also we can make furniture. And what is furniture? like table, chair, sofa, etc. The wood of the oak tree can be useful for construction, means for constructing buildings and other things. So for construction also oak wood is very useful. It is very strong and very heavy. See, teak wood is not very heavy, but oak wood is very heavy and it is also very strong. So these are the two qualities of oak tree. As you can see, the color is very attractive. Natural color, it has very attractive natural color. So it has very good color, as you can see. And we can make so many products like houses, furniture, basketball bats, musical instruments, handles, toys, fences, aeroplane parts, floor, boats, bridges, boxes, doors, etc. All these things we can make with the help of oak tree. And there are many different types of woods available. Let us see some more pictures. See, this is shisham. This is shisham wood. This also has so many uses. So which are the other types of wood? See, shisham, this is also a type of wood. It is also a very strong wood used for making so many different things. It is also one of the best woods available in the market. Then we can see pine tree. We get pine wood from the pine trees. These are the pine trees, as you can see in the forest. We get pine wood from this. Then we can see rubber. These are rubber trees and we get rubber wood from rubber trees. And it has many other uses just like other woods. Rubber tree is one of the best tree available and it is also very long lasting and very strong. Then mahogany. Mahogany is also a type of tree and we get mahogany wood from this tree. Very strong. As you can see, the bark is very strong. Also the root is very strong. So all these are the types of woods that we have seen that are available in the market, and we can make furniture and other things with the help of wood. Now we have to see some other uses of plants. Let us see. Plants give us soaps. We get soaps, as you can see over here. What do we use soap for? We use soap for bathing, cleaning utensils and many other things, for washing our hands, etc. This is soap. So let us read. We use juices and oils of certain plants to make soaps. So how do we get soap? We get soap from juice and oil of certain plants. We can use some plants' juice and oil to make soaps. The leaves and roots have juices and that can be used to prepare soap. So the leaves of the plants and the roots of the plants have juice and we can use that to prepare soap like this. Soaps are of different types. They have different shapes, colors, etc. So as we bring soaps in our house for bathing, for many other purposes, we know that soaps are of different sizes, different shapes and colors. And where do we get soap from? We get from juices and oils of certain plants, and we can get it from leaves and roots. Leaves and roots have juices and we can make soap with the help of plants. Soaps are of different types. Let us see. See, these are the different colors and different types of soaps, as you can see. All the varieties of colors are there. All the types of soaps are there, as you can see on your screen. We can use for bathing, for cleaning utensils and for washing hands, etc. These are the several uses of soaps. As you can see, plant give us toothpaste. So plants also give us toothpaste. Toothpaste is used for brushing our teeth, right? We use toothpaste early in the morning every day. We use juices and oils of certain plants to make toothpaste. So same as we get soap from, we get toothpaste from juice and oil of plants. And from juice and oil we can make toothpaste like this for brushing our teeth. Toothpastes are of many types. It comes in different flavors, right? Flavors are different. Many different flavors like mint, etc. There are many different flavors. Whichever you like, you can buy. Many different flavors come in toothpaste. It comes in many colors, right? It can be red, green, white, etc. There are many different colors of toothpaste. As you can see, different brands of the toothpaste. Which one do you use? See, maximum is used Colgate. Then it is Dabur Red. Then many other are there. Sensodyne for sensitive teeth. These are different types of toothpaste which are used for brushing our teeth. And where do we use toothpaste? we use for brushing our teeth early in the morning. And if you want to keep your teeth strong, you have to use toothpaste. It is compulsory that you must use toothpaste for brushing your teeth every day. Now, do you know the uses of soap? What is the use of soap? Soap is used for bathing. We can take bath with the help of soap. It will remove all the oil on our face. When our face is oily, we can go and wash our face with the help of soap. And it will help to make our skin oil free. Our skin can become oily after a few hours. Then we can wash our face with the help of soap. And other benefits, do you know other benefits of soaps? It removes dead skin. Some people's skin are dead. They are dry. So it can remove dead skin. It will make your skin very smooth. And it will give very cooling effect. Suppose if it is of menthol or mint, it will give very cooling effect. It will feel very cold on your skin. There are several more uses of soaps, like used to clean vessels, washing clothes, dirty hands we can clean. We can take bath with the help of soap. We can clean the house, the walls of the house with the help of soap. And soap can save our life by stopping the spread of the harmful bacteria. Like right now, coronavirus is there. So how can we be safe? We can wash the hand with the soap for 20 seconds and the virus will be dead. So keep washing your hands regularly. Do you know different types and uses of toothpaste? See, there are many types of toothpaste like Colgate, Sensodyne, Dantkanti, Dabur, Himalaya, etc. as it is there on your screen. It makes our teeth clean. Your teeth will shine. It will be white. It will not turn yellow. So your teeth will shine if you use toothpaste twice a day. In the morning and at night while sleeping. Twice a day you should brush at least. Then it will prevent your tooth from decaying. Your teeth will not decay. It will be of good quality if you brush twice a day. It will give you fresh air, fresh breath. When you breathe in, you will feel very fresh if you brush regularly. It will improve your oral health and bacteria will not go inside your mouth. It will be removed from your mouth if you brush twice a day. It will remove all the cavities. Your teeth will be white and it will shine. And your quality of the teeth will be very nice. Your teeth will not pain. You know some people have the pain when they eat ice cream. Their teeth starts paining. So when you brush and then you eat your ice cream, then your teeth will not pain. And it will also maintain your mouth acidity. Your mouth will be very fresh. Keep brushing twice a day. Now we also get perfumes. Perfumes are used by almost all of us. Perfumes give us good smell, right? We know that much. So let us read. Plants give us perfumes. Flowers of certain plants are used to make perfumes. So how do we get perfumes? With the help of flowers. We had also studied in lesson 1. Flowers are the parts of the plants that are used to make perfumes. Different smell of the different perfumes we get with the help of flowers. The flowers like rose, jasmine, etc. are good for making perfume. So you have the names of the flowers over here. Rose, jasmine and many others are there who have good smell, and that good smell is used for perfume. Because what is the use of perfume? To smell our body good. It will give a good smell to our body. That is the use of perfume. So our body will smell good if you apply perfume. And we get perfume from plants. There are many types of perfumes. So we keep many types of perfumes in our house, right? Let us see. See, these are the different bottles of perfumes as you can see. And perfumes have many uses like fragrance. It will give fragrance to your body. It will give a good smell to your body. It will make you attractive. Means if you are sitting on the bench, then your friend will come and sit beside you because of your good smell. Everyone will like you because you have good smell, because you have applied perfume. It can boost up your morale. You will be very confident because people will smell you good. You will be good smelling and people will like you because of perfume. Then perfumes also help us to get good sleep at night. It will also relieve your stress. Your tension will be reduced with the perfume smell. Then it can soothe your body. It can give your body pleasure. It can just make your body very good. It can smell your body good. It can also calm your mind with a smoothing smell. So when you have a soothing smell, when you have a nice smell of something, your mind will be very calm. Your mind will be cool and calm. It can boost your confidence. Like you have applied perfume, you are standing on the stage, you will be confident because people like to smell you, they like to come around you. So perfumes have so many benefits. It can help us to remember things as we want to remember. The scent means the smell of the perfume will help you to remember so many things which things you forget easily. So perfumes have so many advantages. So now let's remember what we have just learned today. The different products that we get from plants. Let us revise quickly. So here I have brought short worksheet. We have to just recall what we have learned. See, true or false. We have to read the sentence and understand, and then we have to write true or false. Let us read the first one. Plants give us fruits and vegetables. Is it right? Do we get fruits and vegetables from plants? Yes, it is true. So let me write. What is the spelling? T-R-U-E, true. So I have written true over here. It is true that we get fruits and vegetables from plants. Second, rice and kidney beans are examples of cereals. See, we had learnt cereals and pulses. So are these examples of cereals? Rice and kidney beans? No, because beans, kidney beans, they look like pulses. Beans look like kidney shape, and I told you that this comes in the category of pulses, and here it is given cereals. So this is a false statement. So what do we write? We write false, F-A-L-S-E, false, and let me put it in the blank. Rice and kidney beans are examples of cereals. It is a false statement. Next, cereals add flavor to our food. Is it right? Cereals are used for adding flavor to our food? No, it is wrong. We get flavor to the food with the help of spices. Spices give color and flavor to our food. So this is wrong. We do not get flavor with the help of cereals. Let us write false. What is the spelling of false? F-A-L-S-E, false, and I put it in the blank over here. So here you have your answer. So what is given? Plants give us fruits and vegetables. It is true statement. Rice and kidney beans are examples of cereals. It is also a false statement because kidney beans are of kidney shape and they come in the category of pulses. So false. Number 3. Cereals add flavor to our food. It is false because we get flavor from spices like cinnamon, cardamom, etc. So this is a false statement. Then next is answer the following questions. So what can you see over here? These are cereals. So what is the first question? Name some cereals. We have to give the names of some cereals that we have studied. We studied so many cereals in the chapter. Can you name any 2 cereals which is eaten by Indians the most? Yes, first one is rice. We eat rice a lot in India, and one more is that wheat. We also eat chapati, etc. in India a lot. So rice and wheat are cereals. Let us write the answer. What is the answer? Let us write. So as you can see on your screen, I have written the answer. Rice and wheat are cereals. What is the spelling? R-I-C-E, rice, W-H-E-A-T, wheat. These 2 are the examples of cereals. Then number 2, name some pulses. Now cereals we had done along with pulses. So what are the examples of pulses? I had told you pulses are dal and cereals are anaj. So pulses, which are the dal? We can say moong and kidney beans. We just saw the examples of kidney beans in true or false. So moong and kidney beans are the examples of pulses. Let us write over here. So as you can see on your screen, I have written the answer. Moong and kidney beans are pulses. What is the spelling? M-U-N-G, moong, K-I-D-N-E-Y, kidney, B-E-A-N-S, beans, kidney beans. Moong and kidney beans are examples of pulses. Rice and wheat are examples of cereals. Then next is fill in the blanks with correct words. See, fill in the blanks are given and options are given. Everywhere 2 options are given. We have to select the correct option and write it in the blank over here. So first one, we get dash from plants. Can you see the image over here? What is the image of? It is the image of fiber, and from fiber we can make clothes. But directly we cannot write clothes because directly we do not get clothes from plants. From plants we get fibers, and from fibers we make clothes. So here it is asked, we get dash from plants. So our answer is fibers. Let us write. So here I have written the answer for you. We get fibers from plants. This one is the correct answer, number 1. Next, dash is used to make glue. So as you can see on your screen, as I told you, that we get glue or we get gum from kika tree. So how can you make glue? Can you make glue with the help of cotton? No, we get glue from gum, from kika tree, right? So gum is the correct answer. Let us write over here gum. So as I have written the correct answer on your screen, you can see gum is used to make glue, and it can be used to stick something while you are doing craft activities. So we get fibers from plants and we get gum to make glue. Next, dash is used to make houses, furniture, boats, carts, etc. So how do we make all these things? How do we make house, furniture, boat, cart, etc.? Can we make with the help of plants? Yes. But what do we get from plants? Then can we make furniture like table, chair? It is made up of wood. So wood is the correct answer. We cannot make furniture with the help of soap. It is used for bathing, not for furniture. So wood is the correct answer. Let us write it in the blank. So here I have written wood is used to make houses, furniture, boats and carts. Let us underline the correct answer, wood. Next, we get wood from trees such as dash. So from which tree do we get wood? Do we get it from grass? No, we get wood from teak. Teak is a type of wood. It is also a type of tree. From teak trees we get teak wood. It is very strong, long lasting, used for making furniture. So we get wood from trees such as teak. Let us write it over here. So I have written answer number 4, teak, and let us underline the correct answer. We get wood from the trees such as teak, T-E-A-K. Remember the spelling. Then last one, number 5 is given. Flowers of plants such as rose and jasmine are used to make dash. So we can make what? From flowers such as rose and jasmine. As I told you before, flowers are the parts of the plants that are used to make perfumes. Why? Because rose, jasmine, all these are the flowers that have a very good scent. Their smell is very good, very pleasant. So we can make perfumes with the help of these flowers. So what is our correct answer? Perfumes. Let us write this answer over here. So here I have written the answer. What is the sentence? Flowers of plants such as rose and jasmine are used to make perfumes. Let us underline the correct answer, perfumes. So now you got the answer. Let us revise all the FBs. We get fibers from plants. Gum is used to make glue. Then number 3, wood is used to make houses, furniture, boats, carts, etc. We get wood from trees such as teak. It is a type of wood. Flowers of plants such as rose and jasmine are used to make perfumes. So what did we learn in today's video? We learned some new uses of plants, some new products. We learned that plants give us wood. Then plants also give us teak. It is a type of wood. We learned that we get oak tree, we get oak wood, then shisham wood, pine wood, rubber wood, mahogany wood. All these are the types of wood. Then we also learned that plants give us soaps. There are many types of soaps of many shapes and sizes. Then we also learned plants give us toothpaste. There are different brands of toothpaste as you can see, and plants also give us perfumes. There are many different categories of perfumes, and very different flowers are of different smell. We get very pleasant smelling perfumes from plants. So today we complete chapter number 2, uses of plants, and we have learnt that what products do we get from plants, and we also understood that without plants our life cannot be possible because we are dependent on plants for so many reasons, even for oxygen, the most important thing. So here we complete the lesson and we'll continue with the exercise of the lesson in the next video. Thank you all of you. Take care of yourself. Goodbye. Have a blessed day.